Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful seashell crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today video. So friends, I am transforming simple seashell into creative poster crafts without neat imitation. These tiny t-shirts from the beach become something unique and beautiful. I carefully arrange the shells, add special detail, and turn them into a lovely ocean-inspired decoration. Every shell has its own shape, texture, and story, making every craft piece completely one of a kind. Friends, the best craft don't need to be expensive. Sometimes the most beautiful things are found in nature. A little creativity, a little fantasy, and a touch of beach magic. That all it's take to create something amazing. Here are simple seashell transformed into love. These little shells may look ordinary, but with creative they can become a beautiful handmade masterpiece. And friends, it locked our nature piece into charming home decoration because every craft feels special and personal. The color texture and the tiny details make these seashells project so relaxing and fun to create. A small reminder that beauty is everywhere, you just need a creative eyes to see it. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care. And Allah Hafiz viewers, I hope you are enjoying